really need to go to the toilet, but look. It's like 4 times a day. He'll eat at 8, 12, 4, and then 8 again. Isn't that right? He is quite hungry right now, so I should probably start getting his breakfast ready. So I kind of forgot to film his breakfast, so we'll make his lunch. 2 or 2 of this pumpkin and carrot mash, 2 scoops, kangaroo mince. Loves this stuff. Chicken or kangaroo. Like 3 of these. Some rice in there, but not that much rice. Like probably like a spoon and a half. And then sardines. Sardines. These are so good for him. A big old spoonful, probably about 3 sardines if you can, but these ones don't even look like sardines, they're huge. There's a full fish in there. It's a whole fish. Sardines are in there. I just chomp it up like that and mix it around. This morning he had an egg as well on top instead of the sardines. Protein and the fats in the egg. He's really annoyed and he's eaten twice, so you're just being a fatty, aren't you? You're being a fatty. You're being a fatty. Shh. Also get some biscuits to about there and then I'll fill it with some hot water. It's gonna go in the fridge for later. I'm gonna take this. I love cooking his eggs with ghee. It's so good. I'm trying to get some content stuff going. I don't think it's gonna happen. Whoa! What's that for? Eh? What's that for? Not happy right now. Not getting any attention. His dad is on the phone, so. Oi! Oi! Oh my god. I've got 5 brands I need to film for. 5! And I've only got 1 in the works at the moment, so we have a little bit of a problem. The one I'm doing right now is a sea sponge and I'm so excited. So excited. It for like 2 days now and my skin is so soft. Isn't it? He was part of it. He was part of the reel that I did. Oh, you gotta be quiet. Shh, quiet. Good boy, quiet. Lots of new words. Lots of new words. This little gremlin is 9 weeks old yesterday. He eats, runs around, sleeps, poops, then does it all again. Just had his breakfast. Look. Now he's gonna sleep. So I think he's a little bit H-word, but he has to wait until 12, don't you? This is his little pen. Best thing we ever freaking got him. It's pretty big. I mean, look at him. He's tiny. He keeps trying to destroy it right now because he's not very happy. I'm not giving him attention. Best advice for a puppy is to at least have 3 toys. One they can chew, one they can cuddle with, or that they can destroy. They need to destroy something. I just noticed his collar's here, so we're gonna put his collar on. Good boy. Some laundry on because we've literally been living in an insane pile of clothes for like a week now. So I put some washing on. I'm chatting whilst I peel Zeus's boiled eggs. Kind of just took Zeus for a drive because he was being a little bit of a menace and he needs to nap. So he likes the car whenever we take him in the car. So he's been getting used to the car. I feel like I need a better spot for you. He had one this morning. I've got to peel the rest of them just to prep them so I don't have to peel them whilst he's whinging in my ear. I just went for a shower. Ooh, this egg was not cooked right. It's funny. Ugh. That is nasty. He doesn't love his lead yet, but I think we need to find a shorter one so he's closer to our side. Probably prefer that more. And that's egg number 3. Okay. Egg prep done. I did end up getting my sea sponge collab done. I've sent it off, which is a bit scary. So I did get an update from the story and she really liked it. So cool. I am scared for her feedback on the reel just because it took me a little bit longer and I've worked on it for like the last 2 weeks. Whilst there, I'm probably just gonna make some breakfast. I also bit my lip. I bit my lip off. Look how bad it is. I have 2 more collabs to film too. I'm just gonna have to like, I mean when I close my mouth it's not the noticeable, but it's when I'm talking it looks like I've got anyways, I'm gonna make some breakfast whilst they're gone. For me this time. These are for me this time. 2. Let's choose our fighter today. I love the cast iron. We're picking cast iron. Perfecto. If you have not tried chili oil, I don't want to talk to you, okay? Go and try it, and then we can talk. I'm eating egg carton right now. Ready? It works. 2 eggs. For me. Get onto it. Everything bagel seasoning. Mingle, all natural, no nasties. This stuff is so freaking good. I just pretty much I need to flip them. I don't know why I'm actually the worst at flipping pancakes, eggs. I don't know what it is. I just this is my medicine. The speed you need. I just fucked that egg. I just destroyed that egg. I need to cut some bread. Come cut some bread. I'm gluten and dairy intolerant, but when it comes to some freaking sourdough, I can't say no. Like, look! Sourdough. Actually, fresh sourdough on a Saturday from the markets. Oh my goodness. This is just from Coles. This is the average. This is trash. This is trash compared to the markets, alright? Markets, I don't know. We're gonna go to the markets. I'm gonna show you the markets because the markets is insane, okay? I don't want to be anywhere else other than the markets. Might kind of be every day, I don't know. But anyway, back to the eggs. I don't know why I can't flip them. I think I don't put enough oil. See, I don't know. Oh no! I cannot stand yolk. I don't know why. It has to be cooked. It has to be cooked. I don't know why. It just tastes. It doesn't taste right. I don't know why. And the texture. I don't even think I've explained why I meal prep for my puppy. He's a Great Dane. He's a Great Dane, cross bull Arab. So he's quite a large breed of dog. He needs a lot of good protein, a lot of good nutrients for his joints and hips. Otherwise, I just know they're very common to have problems. I've just decided that being a dog mum, I would cook for him. I actually kind of enjoy it. It kind of gets me a little bit more motivated to cook for myself if I'm gonna meal prep for my puppy. Learning to be quiet whilst he's eating, which is a challenge, but he's pretty good. He's been doing pretty good today. Today's the first day I've not had much prepped. I've just had no time, so I've had to actually cook it in front of him. I just burnt my toast and I'm still gonna eat it. Burnt, gone, magic. Also intolerant too. Oh, it's going to lie, these are slightly more cooked than I usually have them. Oh, I'm gonna pick it up. They're gonna be great because I'm starving. Breakfast is served. Well, it's not gourmet, but you know what? I am pretty hungry. And then we do this for like all day. Get him, Zeus. Get him. Get him. No. No. He has a fertilizer obsession too. Don't you? Gentle, Boosty. Gentle. You've gotten so much bigger already. Whoa! Careful of the apple tree. It's like 11:30. It's like 20 minutes. And then he can eat because herbs in there.
I just love him so much.
Measure with my heart. He also has
Rosemary from the garden, which is way better than the one in the jar.
teaspoon of turmeric.
And we'll save with this.
For his next meal. Oh, I can hear him. Oh, I can hear you. You're awake. No, no. He is awake. You can see him. He's awake. He is. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You gotta go down. Sit. Good boy. You're hungry. You're hungry. Oh, okay. Well, that settles that, doesn't it? I'm gonna get something ready. Again, mash, rice, kangaroo. We've got kangaroo mince that's gonna be prepped for later, and then chicken. We got chicken which was in broth and it's kind of just like gone into the chicken now. Chicken broth and ghee. It's almost cooked. I think it is actually cooked. Toilet. And then this 1,000 times until he's licked it completely clean. Hey, it's not clean yet. Look. Not clean. Look. Oh, no clean it. You better clean it. Good boy.